This is a Sakhi question.
Sakhi question for you both. Was there ever a ka karuna moment between the both of you?
In a recent show in Kolkata, now that I have short hair, I had to wear a fake bun, okay, which I've been wearing now for the last like 5 shows or so. And Badila tup.
I saw that. I saw that.
The bun just falls down, and Rutuja has seen it. She sits next to me. She slowly takes it and just puts her sari pallu on top of it and hides it and looks at me like this.
Because you have been performing live.
Yeah.
So when you had to bring it to the recording studio, how did you reconfigure that and how was that experience? That now many things would have changed, right? Because it's no longer a live performance.
Yes.
Now you're recording in a studio.
More or less, the format of Kakaruna Manadi in the show also was like demo.
Yeah.
का ये तो our approach was a lot more crisper. काकरुणा मानेरी के बहुत स्पेसिफिक जगह है कि यहाँ पे हम अलग अलग तरीके से इम्प्रोवाइज करते हैं बट वो जगह स्पेसिफिक है
Or you're talking about in the live show.
in the live show. So it was not very difficult for us to sort of reimagine for the EP. But what felt difficult was to reimagine in the kind of arrangement that we were looking for.
I think what's also interesting, which even Ashwini Rai pointed out when I made her listen to the songs, that Ka Karuna Maneri doesn't have to be sad. Yeah. Right? कि what should I do? ये जो इमोशन है वो कितना सब्जेक्टिव है. What should I do तो बहुत अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में भी हम फील करते हैं, राइट? एंड इट्स द प्रोटैगनिस्ट इज टेलिंग हर सखी लाइक व्हाट शुड आई, क्या मैं जो भी करूँ वो नहीं मान रहा है, सखी सुनो ना, राइट? सो दैट इमोशन has been interpreted in a different way in the EP, which is very different from the way it can be sung live, and I think that's the beauty of these forms, right?
Now I have a question for you two. This show is called O Gaane Wali. The heroes of our stories are these fantastic women. The producer, writer, music composer is a woman. The amazing directors are women. The lead singers are women. What is it like being a bajane wala for the O Gaane Walis?
It's there since the real Ogani Walis are
That is what the yes.
like gurus.
हाँ भाई सारंगी वादक तो
So वहाँ से ही था तो it's a connection from there that time.
Yeah.
इट्स वंडरफुल यार. मुझे तो एंड आई बीन एसोसिएटेड विद अवंती फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. तो हमारा एक तो कनेक्शन था ही. आई मेट ऋतुजा एंड देन आई मेट दीज अमेजिंग ब्यूटीफुल पीपल ऑल अराउंड. तो इट्स जस्ट फन टू वर्क विद दिस एनर्जी, यू नो. मज़ा आता है.